Market participants are not very active ahead of employment data in the United States, set to be released on Wednesday. This is also confirmed by the charts. In fact, activity dropped yesterday. However, it does not mean that we have nothing interesting to tell you. Stay with us to see what is going on in the market during the Asian session. The US dollar index increased on Tuesday ahead of an important employment report in the United States. After all, this publication could change the timing of stimulus cuts by the Federal Reserve. We can see that the index is now trading at 91.90. However, ahead of the upcoming event, it may reach a psychological level of 92. Tomorrow we will see how USDX reacts to the results of the ADP report. Not so long ago, Fed Chair Jerome Powell reaffirmed the regulator's intent to encourage a broad and inclusive recovery of the job market and not to raise interest rates too quickly, based only on the fear of coming inflation. This is an extremely positive factor for the US economy. Meanwhile, stock indexes keep incurring losses and pushing the Japanese yen down. On Monday, the Dow Jones Index lost 0.44%. Early today, the Nikkei dropped by 0.87%. As a result, USD JPY is now trading at 110.60. We can see a modest fall in JPY due to a rise in unemployment. Take a look at the chart and see for yourself. The unemployment rate in Japan is near the levels recorded in autumn 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic was at its peak. Under these circumstances, the quote is likely to uptick to 110.70 and 110.75. At the same time, the Australian dollar lost 23 pips and approached the support level of 0.7542 yesterday. If the quote breaks this barrier, the target will be seen at 0.7490. Several technical indicators confirm the possibility of a breakout as well. They have already moved to the zone of the downward trend. So far, there has been optimism in the market apart from the United States. Meanwhile, fears over the Delta virus grow in Asia and Australia. All this can lead to the introduction of new restrictions. And that's all for now. Stay tuned with us and keep abreast. We wish you profitable deals and see you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.